Namaste everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that's going to take your photos to the next level. Google's incredible new Nano Banana. If you've recently seen Sundar Pichai's cryptic tweet with the 3 banana emojis, you might have been wondering, what's this new thing? Well, my friends, Nano Banana is the code name for Google Gemini's new image editing capabilities, specifically the Gemini 2.5 flash image model. And trust me, it's going to blow your mind. Before this, we had AI image editors that were pretty good, but they had one major problem: consistency. If you edited a photo, changed the background, sometimes the faces would look a little weird, or your pets would become unrecognizable. But now, Nano Banana is here to solve that. Built by Google DeepMind, its main goal is to ensure that people, pets, and objects all look consistent across your edits. This means that the soul of your original photo, its identity, will remain intact. I've been testing it out, and the results are absolutely fantastic. 1. Unmatched consistency. This is the biggest highlight. No matter how many edits you make, the subjects in your photos retain their original identity. No more distorted faces or unrecognizable pets. Let's see how a guy traveling in Mumbai local train becoming superhero. Now I'm changing the guy's attire to Indian ethnic. See how instantly the image is changed. Now let's change the background of. Guy is sitting in a park and reading book. Here it goes. The guy's environment action changed, still keeping the character consistent. I'm adding a photo where two friends with a dog, where dog is yawning and one of the friend is not smiling. Let's change, where friend is smiling and there is a party cap on dog head and dog smiling. See how fast the image is changed to desired action. No more editing tools required. It's awesome. And now we can add a girl's picture and the same guy picture where the guy is talking to her. She is sitting nearby. Hey, all the scene changed. Okay, now we can try the girl's costume should change into a modern attire. Pretty good. Second feature is multi-turn editing. This means you can make an edit and then make another one on top of that same photo, and the AI will remember the previous edits and seamlessly integrate the new changes. I have a cute pet dog named Tommy. I took a simple photo of him and gave the prompt, dress him up as a Bollywood superstar ready for a red carpet event. Out came Tommy, wearing a stunning golden sherwani, a turban and cool sunglasses, walking on a red carpet. And he still looked exactly like my Tommy, just a lot more glamorous. Third is blazing fast speed. Google says it can do edits in 1 to 2 seconds. Imagine transforming your photos in near real time. No more waiting. Fourth is high quality output. This model is at the top of image editing leaderboards. This means the results you get will be of the highest quality, almost professional grade. Fifth is transparency with SynthID. Google is being very responsible. That's why every image created or edited with Nano Banana will have a visible watermark and an invisible digital watermark called SynthID. This helps us know which images are AI generated, which is very important today. After a week, my verdict is that the Google Nano Banana is one of the most fascinating and forward-looking pieces of tech I've ever tested. It's not perfect. The ecosystem is still young, and the idea of carrying another device takes getting used to. But it feels like a glimpse into the future. A future where our technology serves us quietly, intuitively, and proactively. It's a future that Google is determined to build, one weird, wonderful experiment at a time. I have to know what you all think. Is this the next big thing in personal tech, or a niche experiment destined for the Google graveyard? Let me know your hot take in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, a like would be incredible, and make sure to subscribe for more reviews that go beyond the spec sheet. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.